Bumabaha na ng hair extension sa aking mailbox. O, diba? Ang ganda. Hi guys! Welcome to today's video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, it's me, Leigh, on Leigh Style. So, talaga namang kabilaan ng hair extension na kailangan ko i-review. So, hindi ko na alam ano yung uunahin ko. So, since nag-review ako ng hair extension, ang daming company na nagsisend sa akin ng hair extensions. So, sometimes parang ayoko nang tanggapin. Kasi, although they send it to me for free, parang sobrang dami na naman nakasay ng hair extension. But, the thing is, I wanna give them consideration kasi syempre, they're the one who's reaching out to me and wants to collaborate. So, natatouch din naman ako. So, sige na lang. Pagbigyan silang lahat. Ayan. Okay? So, anyway, this is another hair extension review from Full Shine. Ayan. So, the Full Shine company sent me a clip hair extension. So, actually, clip hindi ko talaga matanggihan kasi I bet ko talaga ang clip extension. So, magko-collect na ako ng clip hair extension. So, dahil sa mga hair extension, kailangan ko tuloy bumili ng lalagyan. Kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya ilalagay. Isasampay, ihahangir, iipit. Hindi ko alam. So, nakakita ko sa Amazon pala may nabibiling lalagyan ng mga parang organizer for hair extension. Anyway, balik tayo sa Full Shine hair extension. So this is the box that they send me, 100 grams, and this color is the ano ba to? The ombre balayage. Yan. Kasi yun ang bagay sa buhok ko eh. And through that color, nagkakaroon ng parang ang dating sa hair ko is highlight. Kaya gusto ko siya. Wala namang special description. Most of the clip hair extension that I review, almost the same. Medyo sa quality lang minsan nagkakatalo. Ganyan. And the packaging. So this one is very simple packaging. So nasa likod na yung how to take care of your human hair extension. And of course, pretty much, yan na yung kabuuan ng kanyang box. Ayan. So, ganito yung Full Shine hair extension. You can also find them in WhatsApp and Instagram. Ayan. So, meron silang paandar na ganon. Okay, buksan na natin nang matapos na. Okay. So, in this box, ano yun? So, meron pa. Oh, may extra clip. So, it always comes with the extra clip. Mostly the hair extension that I try. Meron siya laging extra clip. Ayan. So, there's a little booklet inside the box. This includes their brand story, the return instruction, the extra support instruction, discount, recommendation, and other things regarding Full Shine hair extension. Ayan. Okay. So, this is the hair extension. Comes in a plastic package. So, ayan. Ayan. Ay, hindi matanggal. Kailangan pala tanggalin ko lahat. So, ganyan. So, ayan, nakatali siya dyan. Tapos, meron lang siyang couple things for you to read. Yung how to, you know, return or exchange. If ever na medyo hindi kayo satisfied or mali yung color na na-receive nyo, siguro parang gano'n. So, like I've said, this is 7 pieces hair clip extension and it is 100 grams. Gramo labanan nito. Okay. 100 daw. Charon. Okay. So, ayan. And the length of this one is 22 inches. Asan yung brush ko? I-brush natin. So, hindi ko na to uunatin na. So, oh my God, talagang shine. At oh my God, sobrang lambot. At mabango. Ang bango niya, yung alam niyo yung amoy bago, yung parang talagang binili sa mall, di ba? Basta may amoy yung mall eh. Yung mga damit sa mall may amoy na amoy bago na amoy mall. Ayan. At wala siyang hair fall. Ayan. Wala. So, 22 inches. Medyo lighter siya to my hair. Light siya sa hair ko. So, it will create a highlight. Meron ako mga favorites na hair extension sa mga na-review ko. Meron akong mga gusto. Meron din akong hindi mga masyadong bet. But, yun nga. Chuchusi ka pa ba? Pag binigay ka na magreklamo. Ito pala yung tatluhan. So, this is the one that has 3 clips. 3 clips again. Tsaka maganda yung kanyang tahi. Manipis. Yung seamless na ginagamit ko, parang meron siyang tape dito na I don't know what you call that. Pero parang plastic yun. But this one is, ano siya, tela. Parang edging siya. Naka-edging. Edging. Mananari ka, girl. This one, 4 clips. Ayan. Alam ko 4 clips yung pinaka-longest niya. 4 clips. Ayan. Dalawahan. Yung dalawahan. So, isang 4 clips, dalawang 3 clip, and tig-dalawang clip. And, of course, ay, ano ba yun? Tama ba ako? Ay, sa kanila, wala silang single clip. Dalawa din, pero magkalapit na yung kanyang clip. So, kakaiba siya. This is the first time na 4 yung tig-dalawang clip. Pero yung isa, as you can see, magkalayo. Ito, magkagalit yung clip. Ito, medyo bati na sila. Ayan. Okay. So, like I always do, pag clip extension, napaka-simple and easy lang. This is the simplest extension that I've tried. Kaya gusto ko siyang gamitin. So, without further ado, simulan na natin. I-try natin ito. Okay, so as you can see, this is my real hair. So, mahaba rin siya. So, I always choose extension na mahaba din. So, para aakma naman sa haba ng hair ko. So, ang kagandahan sa long na hair extension, you can use it even you have a short hair. Okay? So, uunahin nating gamitin yung mahaba. So, pag clip hair extension, walang arte eh. So, napaka-easy. Kasi, kahit daliri nyo lang yung panghati nyo, hindi kagaya ng tape extension. Ang daming achuchuchu. Diba? So, kuha kayo ng inyong tail comb yan. Tinatawag. Ipapart nyo lang yung hair. Ganyan. So, ayan. So, hati na yung aking hair. So, gagamitin ko yung pinaka-longest. So, the one with 4 clips. So, how to use it? You will just push it like that. Yung mga clip, push out. And then, what I do is, I wiggle it a little bit to my hair para kumapit siya. And then, you push it back. Ganyan. Okay? Let's put it. So, ayan. So, yung unang lagay natin, parang mas maganda to kasi parang pinong-pining pinaka-edging niya dun sa clip. Ayan. Mararamdaman nyo, pag tumunog, pag kinlip nyo kasi tutunog siya eh. Parang may click sound. So, ayan. Tapos, so, kabit na. Napakalambot. Ay, maganda. Maganda effect nito. Tsaka parang hindi ko siya na-feel na sometimes kasi yung extension pag ginanyan ko, alam kong hindi ko buhok. But this one, parang kapareho rin siya ng hair ko. Pag ginanyan ko siya, tingnan mo. Kita ba? Ayan. Okay. So, lagay pa natin yung iba. Ayan. Ayan. Malambot siya, day. Pakaganda nito. So, gamitin naman natin yung tatluhan. Make sure na push out na natin yung clip para ready na siya. Ayan. So, naririnig nyo, may ganon. Isa pa. Yun yung maririnig nyo. Pag alam nyo na close nyo na siya. Na-clip nyo na siya. So, okay. Ang ganda ng kapit. Ganda ng kapit ng bata. Charot. Okay. Super ganda. Okay. Meron pa pala akong 3. So, isa pa palang 3. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry po. Pasensya na po. Tao lang. Ganyan. Okay. Okay. Tapos, itong dalawahan, ilalagay ko dito sa side. Okay. Let's push the clip. Ayan. Tsaka, don't worry kung hindi masyadong pantay yung inyong pagpapart ng hair. That's fine. Ayan. So, usually yung 7 pieces na extension, ginagamit ko siya lahat. I use all of them. Ito na yung pinaka last two. Ayan. Dito ko siya. Ayan, oh. Tapos kapit na kapit siya. Maganda ang kapit. So, sa kabila. Ay, bagay sa akin yung kulay. Purihin mo yung sarili mo. Okay. Ayan. Parang nakakaaliwalas din pala ng mukha yung kulay. Madilim ba yung pagmumukha ko? So, ayan guys. So, talagang, mahigpit siya guys. Diba? Okay. Tingnan ang resulta. Ganda ng kulay. And it's very shiny. Usually, ini-straight ko yung extension. When it came out to the box, inigamitan ko siya ng pang-unan. But this one is okay naman siya. So, I don't have to. So, ayan. So, what can you say, guys? Okay ba? Ang kintab, diba? Ang kintab ng hair niya. Oh, super kintab. Talagang full shine. Oh, diba? So, you can wear your hair just like that or whatever you want. You can curl it if you want. Heat safe naman siya because it's 100% human hair. So, safe siya kahit i-shampoo nyo siya. If you use it for several times na, you can wash it. And of course, you can iron it. Ganyan. Pero, it's better wag nyo na i-blow dry. Kasi, mas maganda. Kahit naman sa natural hair natin, it's better when you just naturally dry it. Wait nyo na lang na matuyo. Kung hindi nyo naman siya gagamitin, doon nyo na lang siya i-wash. Para hindi kayo nagmamadali. So, ayan. How is it at the back? So, maganda po sa likod. So, ang ganda. Ayan. Oh. Ang ganda. This is the clip hair extension from Full Shine. Ang ganda. I like it. I will enjoy using this whenever I feel I want some highlights on my hair. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, guys. So, I hope na i-try nyo siya. This is the Ombre Balayage color. So, there you have it, guys. If you want to try the clip hair extension from Full Shine, I will put the description down below on my description box. And of course, the special discount code that you can use when you want to avail a clip hair extension like this or other different colors on their website. You can find it at Amazon. And of course, before I forget, thank you so much Full Shine Company for sending me this hair extension. I really like it and I think I will enjoy using it for my everyday look. Or maybe not every day, but if I feel I want to use it. This is the good thing about clip hair extensions. You don't have to worry because you can remove it when you don't feel having color on your hair, and you can put it back when you want color on your hair. Ayan. So, I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe on my channel if you haven't yet, and kindly hit the notification bell para naman maging updated kayo every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful.